Before buying a Greenworks 40V Cordless trimmer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Caco Replacement Spool. The Caco Replacement Spool for Greenworks Weed Eater String. Priced at just $12.99, it caught my attention because it comes with 10 spools and 2 caps, which is a great value if you want to keep your trimmer running smoothly. If you want hassle-free maintenance for your trimmer, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. It's compatible with multiple Greenworks models, including the 40V's single-line cordless trimmers. Each spool is pre-wound with 16 feet of 0.065-inch durable nylon thread. This means you won't waste time hand winding, and you can get right back to trimming. The auto feed design is pretty cool too, as it automatically advances the line while you're working, which means no interruptions. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold last month, people clearly trust this product. Honestly, some folks mention that the line tends to break under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're using a trimmer for light to medium jobs, this spool should handle it just fine. Heavy-duty users might want to keep an extra on hand. This is perfect for you if you own a Greenworks trimmer and want a reliable replacement spool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're using a different brand or need something super heavy-duty. For the price, it's a solid buy for regular maintenance. Now, if the spool's price or compatibility issues concern you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Greenworks 40V 12-inch trimmer. The Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer, which you can snag for $59.99. What really grabbed my eye is its lightweight design and the mention of a variable speed trigger. If you want a trimmer that can adapt to your yard's needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This trimmer features a 12-inch cutting path with a 0.065-inch line and an auto feed head. This means you can quickly tackle tougher grass and weeds without constantly stopping to adjust the line. Plus, with a battery average life of 60 minutes, you can get a good chunk of trimming done in one go. It's designed for temperatures from 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can handle a variety of weather conditions. Given that it's a Greenworks product, it's already gained a strong reputation among the DIY community. Now, some users have pointed out that the battery and charger are not included. This can be frustrating if you're starting from scratch. However, if you already have Greenworks batteries, you're in luck, and it's a great addition to your existing tools. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight tool that can easily maneuver around your garden. Skip this one if you need an edger or if you're looking for something with a longer battery life right out of the box. For the price, it's a very affordable option. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with more demanding edging needs. Product number 3, Greenworks 40V 8-inch brushless edger. I was drawn to its brushless motor, which promises longer life and quieter operation. If you're serious about keeping your lawn looking sharp, this is worth a serious look. What's special about this edger is the 8-inch blade paired with a curb wheel, which gives you perfect edges every time. The no-load speed of 6,500 RPM means you can cut through tough grass and weeds without hassle. Plus, the toolless depth adjustment allows you to easily control the cutting depth, ensuring you get the look you desire. It's also maintenance-free, which means no gas or oil to fuss over. Just charge and go. This is a significant selling point for anyone who wants a clean yard without the mess. However, I found some complaints about its weight being on the heavier side compared to other models. Here's the thing though, while it might be bulkier, the power it delivers is well worth it for serious lawn care enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful edger that delivers clean results without the hassle of maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight tool or just need a trimmer. It's a solid investment for those who take lawn care seriously. Now, if you're not ready to invest in an edger, the next product is a great way to ensure your trimmer is always ready to go. Product number 4, Salivo Replacement Spool. The Salivo Replacement Spool for Greenworks, available for $19.99. I liked that it comes with 6 spools and 1 cap, which is a pretty good deal for keeping your trimmer in top shape. If you want a reliable replacement option, this is worth a serious look. These spools are compatible with a range of Greenworks models, including both 24V and 40V string trimmers. Each spool is pre-wound with 16 feet of 0.065-inch nylon line, designed to provide a long service life. This means less downtime for you, as these are factory wound, so you can get back to trimming quickly. Plus, with quick feedback from 400 customers last month, it shows that many users find this option dependable. However, some users have reported issues with the line not feeding properly. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions for installation carefully, most of these feeding problems can be avoided, making it a non-issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and dependable spool option for your Greenworks trimmer. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty solution or alternate brand compatibility. For the price, this is a great value. Now, if the price or compatibility isn't what you're after, the next product offers a different take on trimmer replacements. Product number 5. Kako Replacement Spool 12+2. We have the Kako Replacement Spool for Greenworks, priced at $13.99. I was impressed by the value of 12 spools and 2 caps. If you're looking to stock up, this is worth a serious look. This replacement spool is compatible with multiple Greenworks models, specifically designed for both the 24 and 40-volt trimmers. Each spool provides 16 feet of 0.065-inch nylon line, ensuring you have enough line to tackle most yard tasks. The high-quality ABS material means it's built to last. With over 200 units bought last month, it's clear that users appreciate the affordability. Now, some reviews pointed out that the spools can be tricky to install. Here's the thing, it might take a little trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, it's well worth the initial setup time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical way to maintain your trimmer. Skip this one if you're very particular about installation ease or need a premium spool. For the cost, it's a fantastic option for regular upkeep.
We covered the Kako replacement spool, the Greenworks 40V 12-inch trimmer, the Greenworks 40V 8-inch brushless edger, the Solivo replacement spool, and the Kako replacement spool 12+2. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, depending on what you're looking for in a trimmer. Remember, whether you're a casual user or a lawn care enthusiast, there's an option here for you. Thanks for tuning in.